Hey guys, make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake people make when replacing fuses relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Mercedes E Class, that generation that you see right here from year 2010 to year 2016. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where your Airmatic relay fuses are located guys, you have up to 3 different fuses and a relay. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find these 4 components. 2 of them are extremely hidden. One is in the fuse box that most people don't even know it exists, and the relay is hidden as well. We'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts to use fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Now, if you have a Mercedes E-Class, that generation from year 2010 to year 2016-17 guys, this is the W212 guys. We're going to have a video for every single fuse relay on that car, why things do not work, why we're making this one, because we're trying to save you time and money guys. Let's say you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, your car does not start, you need to find where your engine starter fuse relay is located guys, where you can find fuel injection system fuses, fuel pump fuses. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you're back on the road guys. In addition, we'll share where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way you do not waste your money and time. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make guys at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix mechanical, electrical, engine work guys, body work, a little bit of everything. And we have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars guys in free repair videos. Check it out if you need help with that. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So Airmatic relay fuses guys, relay fuse, where you can find it, we will demonstrate on that generation Mercedes E-Class. This is the pre-facelifted model of that generation, this is the facelifted model, but it will work for both. You guys have multiple fuse boxes and today we'll work in quite a few of those. But first we're going to start with one in the trunk. Open the trunk, on the side you have a cover, put that cover and underneath you'll find a fuse box that will have a layout that will look like this one here. Now, before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So, it is super important guys to always test fuses and relays, and something else as well, common mistakes people make. Sometimes you may think that a fuse is good, or you cannot actually see if the fuse is clearly burned, and in that case guys you may put the fuse back together and you may end up spending money and time on parts you don't need, and all you have to do is just test the fuse. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse. It takes only a few seconds to find out for sure if it's good or bad. The same thing for relays guys, okay? Some of those could be really expensive on cars, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below how you can test relays. And for some certain fuses guys, it's important to disconnect the car battery when removing them, otherwise you can burn the electronics. And for instance, working on airbags, fuses or anything like that, you need to wait at least 1 hour after disconnecting the car battery. And if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbag system, I will never recommend to do that guys. But when disconnecting the car battery guys, okay, common mistake people make, it's important to know which battery terminal you reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn electronics modules. How we know about that? We burn before the traction control module on BMW that cost us $2,000 guys. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check it out for your convenience. So here guys, for the Airmatic we have one fuse that we need to check. Oh, by the way, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Mercedes or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the links in the description of the video below. Check it out, that way you do not waste your money and time. We need to come in that yellow cluster of fuses. And here guys, okay, let me zoom in a little bit. Next to each one of them we'll have fuse numbers. For instance, this right here starts with fuse 67, okay, you can see, and then fuse 68. Fuse 68 is the one that you will guys need to check. Now, after that you need to open the hood. When you open the hood, here the main fuse box is under this cover. Open it, and that's what the layout will look like guys. Now we're going to zoom in a little bit. You have fuse numbers listed next to them, and fuse number 12 will be that one here. You will need to check for the Airmatic as well. The relay, guys, okay, you need to open the trunk again. And if you open the trunk, okay, right here on the left side of the trunk, if you come on the left side there, okay, if you remove the cover, next to the Airmatic system, you have that relay. That's the Airmatic relay right there. That's next to the sound amplifier, guys. Okay, you can see that's on the driver's side. After that, under the hood, guys, you have another hidden fuse box. That's where the positive jump starter terminal is located. If you remove that jump starter terminal location, guys, you'll see that's a pre-fuse box that will look like this one. This is the same thing, just different angle. And here, guys, okay, let me show you now. Okay, here we're going to open it and it will look like this one. You may have up to 3 different versions depending on which engine you have, whether it's diesel, gasoline, or plug-in hybrid. Ours looks like this one, guys, but most of them will be about the same what we're looking for. And the Airmatic relay fuse, guys, it's known as pin 3, PIN. It's that integrated fuse right here. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.